Hello my dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert.in. Friends, we are back with another job update from Otsuka Pharmaceuticals. Friends, it is a walk-in interview on 3rd July. So for this walk-in interview is for B.pharma M.pharma and B.sc candidates as well as M.sc B.tech and Diploma candidates. So coming to the post name, friends, they are looking for production, packing and plant maintenance, and the qualification required is, as I already discussed, the experience is 2 to 7 years of experience. Friends, this is a walk-in interview, so these are the main details. So for in detail regarding job description, please wait till the end. And the job location is Ahmedabad and the walk-in date is 3rd July. The timings are 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. The venue is Lemon Tree Hotel, address 3 R&D Marg, South Tukoganj, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. So the job is at the interview venue is in Lemon Tree Hotel. So coming to the departments wise job opening details. So for production department, you must have exposure in parenteral or injectable plant only. Number 1 is process in charge. So these are the duties as a process in charge you need to accomplish to ensure the timely documentation of ongoing production and carry out manufacturing process, ensure implementation of SOPs for production, and to do and check in process control parameters to do ensure cleanliness and environmental norms of various areas like dispensing, compounding, etc. And for associate, to monitor temperature or humidity of clean rooms. And coming to the packaging, parenteral or injectable exposure only, process in charge. These are the following things you must accomplish. And for associate, these are the things: to maintain the machine in good condition and to ensure machines are started within time period and perform challenging tests. And plant maintenance, also process in charge. The qualification is B.tech or M.E electrical, mechanical or instrumentation, to prepare monthly preventive maintenance and to do and observe PM activities. So these are the details regarding the complete details from Otsuka Pharmaceuticals. So if you like the information, please hit the like button and share the information with the needy. Thank you.